Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Fiona, and today on the Lively Kitchen, I'm gonna show you how to make the easiest Greek salad in under 15 minutes. Yep, 15 minutes. Don't worry, I got you. So for this recipe, you're gonna need 1 red onion, 2 mini cucumbers, orange pepper, feta cheese, olives, cherry tomatoes, vinegar, a white bowl. I'll show you what that's for later. The first thing we're gonna do is thinly slice the red onions. And you remember that white bowl? We're gonna take those onions, put it in the bowl, and then we're gonna throw 1 cup of vinegar on the onions. That takes away the tartness from the onions. And that's what you see me doing right here. Give that a quick toss and put it to the side until the end of my salad. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut our cucumbers up. You can cut them small or large depending on you. Then I went ahead and grabbed the white bowl and just start to throw everything that I'm cutting up into that bowl. And we're gonna do the same thing for the cherry tomatoes. You wanna cut them into bite-sized pieces. Now onto the orange peppers. I only used about half of the peppers because my husband and I don't eat peppers that much. I love Kalamata Olives. I was running out, so I guess I gotta make another trip to Trader Joe's. I cut the olives in half because they're much easier to eat. When I finish chopping up everything, I just put everything in the bowl and shake them together. At this point, you're gonna go and grab your measuring cup and you're gonna measure out 1 cup of feta, and that's about how much I'll use to do the whole salad. I'll take half of it, pour it in the salad, and then the other half I'll use for a dressing on the top, and you'll see. Do you remember the vinegar that we had soaking with the onions? You're gonna throw that vinegar off, take the onions, and just put it on the bowl. Now after you finish tossing, you're gonna pour half of the feta on the top of it. What you see me doing here, I'm plating it, making it look nice and pretty. My hubby's on his way home. And then I'm gonna sprinkle the other half of the feta on top. I don't make balsamic vinaigrette from scratch, so what I do is I just go to the grocery store and I grab balsamic vinaigrette light, toss some on top, and then it's time for me to do a little taste test. Oh my God, this looks so amazing. Yep, they came out amazing. See, it wasn't that bad after all, was it, right? 15 minutes. See, I got you, don't worry. Now, if you love what you saw, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love making content and I love cooking. And I hope to see you back here soon. Bye, guys.